Your boy's gonna enter here. Bro. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number 8 of the Alpha Futures eval. Regardless of how today ends up, we end up this week in the green, which I'm super excited about, and that makes it our 3rd week in a row. I actually just want to go over some stats that I'm currently at. 72% win percentage is crazy. We're pretty dialed in. We're looking for super A+ setups. Our profit factor, great. Average win loss, we love that. We want to maybe get this, we want it to maintain below 250. We don't want it to go above 250. This can be anywhere 250 plus, which it is. So we like that. We are killing it so far. And then here's our weekly. Okay, Friday, we have prelim at 8. So today we are not trading before any of this comes out. Okay, let's get straight to it. Number 1, we got to find out our high time frame bias. So that's our weekly down to the daily, down 4, 1, 15. Boom. Okay, what's our daily doing? And I say this a lot of times, but there's a lot of new people that watch the YouTube videos as well. You don't be afraid to use the line chart in a high time frame bias, because it just honestly makes it easier to see, oh, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And I know it's easy to show that in the weekly chart with candles as well, but if we go down to like a different chart, not so much the daily, but like maybe the 4-hour, we can see a higher high, higher low. We're still in a bullish market structure. I'm honestly all for the line chart. I don't think it's a bad thing. What day is the next giveaway, Wes, or the draws gonna be happening? Like, I don't want to drag on these giveaways too long, because we always have like more accounts to give away, which is crazy, bro. All right, so bullish. What are we doing in the 4-hour? We retraced hard yesterday and we caught all of it. That was a crazy trade, fellas. Like, that was wild. We retraced hard, but I'm very surprised we didn't push past this high. We might be doing that. Might be doing that right now for New York market open. Look at this reaction off this fair value gap here for the 1 hour. Very nice. Wow. No close past CE and just a straight rip up after that. 15 minute. Let's take a look. What do we do in the 15 minute? We're low-key in a downtrend right now. We'll see what comes out of it. Yeah, we caught all of this yesterday. I think it was down to here. What a fucking trade. That was crazy, you guys. Unreal. All right, well, yeah, 15 minute. We're trendline traders are loving where we're at right now. Look at this. Quite the downtrend. John Pork logged in early today. Dude, seriously. My boss is right behind my table, so bear with my typos. Dude, all good. Risky business, bro. Okay, well, let's mark out session highs and session lows. Starting at 18, we have Asia session. We can mark this out. This is our London session high. Boom. Market is open. And then our London session low right here. Very good. So we're going to open up our SMT search. I kind of hope MES is not taking London high. Just jokes. It already has. And Asia, right? Or I guess, oh, this is just one big equal high, you guys. Ew. Equal high of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Bro. Every single retail trader, I bet you, was looking at that. That trades the fucking super duper market open. Whatever. I want to be patient until news comes out. I want to, yeah. But we'll see how it reacts to this 1 minute fair value gap already. Because if we're truly bullish, we want that Asia session high as well. We have flipped bullish on the 15 minute, which is nice. I do like to see that. I believe this is, yeah, are we going to all-time highs again today, you guys? TPs, let's go. All-time highs, you guys. I think that's happening. Has anyone ever told you you look like the vigilante from Peacemaker? I'm so done today. LOL. What the fuck? 2 take profits again. I got touched, ticked out here, but I didn't put me in. I was kissed. I was pissed. Dude, why have you guys turned me into... Where did this picture come from? Dude, where did this picture come from, bro? What is even that? Dude. Like, this... Oh my god, bro. Okay, we got news in 4 minutes here. All right, news is out. Didn't do anything. I know we're at all-time highs or near all-time highs, but look at the amount of the sell-off that we get once we reach this SMT. Another one once we reach the imbalance of the SMT that was made. Another big sell-off candle. That's not even news. News was at 8. Maybe it was like delayed or something and the news data didn't come out till 8:01. But still, like, these are big, large volume candles to the downside. I'm just here to hang. John Pork can have it if I win. Let's go. Lock in? Okay, lock in. I'm locking in. I'm locking in. All you have to do to enter this one is react to this message. We have 53 people entered into the giveaway already. Let's see if we can break our last record with 84 total entries. See, this is one thing I don't really know about with my strategy yet. So there is some times, and I've seen this happen a few times, you guys. There's some times where it'll come up, it'll wick a fair value gap, and then it'll come back and wick another fair value gap on CE. Like, what one do I take there? So what I'm doing every time I see that is I'm just not trading. If I'm seeing 2 entries, it's like, bruh, cancel out. What are you doing? Know what I'm saying? But this could be fucking gas, boys. Your boy's gonna enter here. Why I entered this trade? High time frame. Overall, very bullish, right? We have weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour. Even the 15-minute has flipped bullish with a good candle close. Okay, now on the 1 minute, we start a little bit of a mini downtrend. We sweep a low, but after we sweep a low, we see a reaction, right? And an imbalance made off of that reaction. We come back into that imbalance, wick CE, get a great candle close. So that for me is the market pretty much showing me that orders have been filled and that we're going to continue upward. That is my thought process, and let's just see how it goes. Bro, we spit fucking game. We spit, oh my God, dude. Holy, that is such a good feeling. That is such a good feeling.